guys can't even see me. Good morning, friends, and today we are just winging it on keto. I had literally no plan today for food, so I figured I'd show you how I wing it, which is like most of the time. This protein shake is not my favorite. I'm just drinking it because it was the last one that I had, and I figured I should just drink it. It tastes okay. It's just more so of like the, I don't know, the aftertaste is worse than some protein drinks that I've had, so it's all right, and it does for what I have, but I don't know that I would recommend it. It does its job, I guess. My toxic trait is always wanting to get afternoon coffee. So we're going to get afternoon coffee. Can I do a medium hot sugar-free mocha breve?
Medium hot sugar-free mocha breve. Anything else for you?
And then can I do a medium iced sugar-free vanilla breve?
Medium iced sugar-free vanilla breve. Second meal for you?
That will do it.
All right, I'll have it settled for you at the window.
Thank you. Coffee, coffee. Oh, I didn't get decaf. It's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon though. Last time it was like 3 or 4. It's almost 7 o'clock and I'm hungry, so let's make some food. Oh, that's right. I wanted salad too. Dinner. I'm gonna try these. He has tried them before. I have not. Colton said that they were good, but he might not buy them again. We bought 2 boxes. That's why we have another box. So I'm gonna try them and see what I think of them. I'm gonna try them in the air fryer. He microwaved them when he made them. I mean, I guess they are like nice little taco formed things. Put these on a plate. And then put all of the extra cheese on them. That's what the instructions said to do. If the cheese fell off, just put it on. Colton, the packaging says to do the oven for 375 for 20 minutes. So do you think I should do... What do you think I should do?
Place a single taco in the air fryer at 375 for You're the worst.
This is the only appropriate size for a salad bowl. Just saying. I got this from Aldi, I believe. Pro tip, if you don't have the salad tongs to mix up your salad, just use these bad boys. Alright friends, we're going to try our chicken crust chicken tacos. I didn't put anything on here. I just wanted to try it naked to see how they are. So, let's see. That's not bad. I didn't think they were going to be crispy, but I think making them in the air fryer is the way to go. I would not microwave them. Probably the oven would be about the same, but it takes a lot longer. They're good. Also, my boyfriend bought us some of these to try. The Winter Spiced Cranberry Sprite Zero. It is phenomenal, actually. It's pretty delicious. So thank you guys so much for joining me today on this kind of like a wing it day, which honestly is most days. I just try to keep as many easy to grab, easy to make things in my house as possible. And just having meat and cheese and nuts around is super helpful for lunch. And then anything in the freezer for me is a must-have. These Real Good, the Real Good brand, I actually really enjoy them. The only thing that I have ever tried from them that I didn't like was the little like pizzas that they had. The chicken crust pizzas, those weren't my favorite. But basically anything else I try from them is really good and they have good ingredients. So I highly recommend that brand for the busy people. Just keep them in your freezer and you're good to go. Again, on nights like this where it's 7 o'clock, I just got home and we all kind of just ate whatever we wanted to. So thank you guys so much. I hope that this video helped you in any way, shape, or form. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 14? Day 14? 15? No, 14. Okay.